Hello there, new friends. This is your girl Schneiding the Magnet. I'm so excited that you tuned in to my YouTube channel today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit that notification button when I have new content. Today, we will be sharing the Haitian cuisine. I will be showing you how to prepare white rice, black beans, beef, along with some spices. So get into it and let's get ready. Let's begin with our ingredients. Apple cider vinegar, lime juice, salt, some sliced beef chunks. Make sure y'all okra is in there. Black beans, Haitian spices called epis, which is a series of garlic, peppers, and spices. An additional garlic roll and white rice. I always like to give my beans some additional flavor, so add 1 cube of Maggi, some chopped onions, adobo, seasoning, and butter. For additional flavoring, you can also add some pure creamed coconut and black pepper. We'll need to chop some red and green bell peppers. Boil your black beans with 1 roll of garlic on the stove for 1.5 hours or until the beans are completely soft. Add your okra into the pot with the water. Boil your okra on high heat for approximately 20 minutes or until the okra is completely soft. To prepare your rice, add water, salt, and vegetable cooking oil. Pour your rice into a bowl to wash thoroughly. Once water is boiled, add your rice, and after 5 minutes, lower the temperature from high to low heat so your rice does not burn. Let your rice steam for another half hour. Add an aluminum foil so it can cook. Add salt and the Haitian epis into the bowl. Then mix the marinade into the meat. Add your red bell peppers and hot peppers into the saucepan. Once the meat is marinated, you add it in with the peppers to boil. When the meat starts to color, add some water to boil some more. While the meat is boiling, you can add some parsley and thyme for additional flavor. Once the black beans are soft, then you can add it to the container. Blend your beans for approximately 2 minutes. Grab your sifter to pour the beans into the pot. Then add your ragu sauce. Then add your boiled okra. And then your sliced onions.